Hello, my friend. Welcome to our channel. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China. We specialize in the common rail inject. Yep. And today I want to share with you some of our product. Yes, this is our product. This is the control valve we are showing today. Yep. Let's check the details first, okay? Please follow me. On this part, as you can see, this is our packaging bags. We pack it with the VCI anti-rust bags. Yep. On this part, this is the label. Yep. On the first line of our label, it's the Shumatt brand logo. If you want to print with your own logos, you can contact us, and we had customized the services. We can print your logo, your own label, the packaging bags, yes, and so on. If you have this demand, yes, just contact us, okay? Don't wait. On this part, it's the product code. It's product model numbers. It's F00ZC01305. Yeah, on this part, it's application injector model numbers. The model number is the 04451100603 and 04451100536. And on this part, as you can see, this is a QR code. You can use your phone to scan it to find more information. Okay, I can't wait to show you the inside part. Follow me, okay? We packed with the transparent bottles. Actually, we have two kinds of packaging, right? This kind of little transparent boxes and this kind of shipment. Yes. Okay, let's open it to see the inside. We can pull out. Okay. Then you can see this is the product. We pack it with the oil paper. On the oil paper, also with some prints. This is the whole side. Wow, this is our valve assembly. Actually, we seal in the whole side, but also we seal in the separate part. Separate part, like you can see, there has a coating on this part, right? And also with the curved letters. Yep. On this part, it's a valve roll. Valve roll, we have different lengths and we have different sizes. If you want the other size, you can contact us. Yes, we can apply you the customized services. Okay. Each items before we seal it, we will test it many times. Yeah, so our product really have the high qualities. Yeah, don't worry about that. So much for today's product introductions. Actually, we have many model numbers, right? And if you are not familiar with our model numbers, please send us the product code. We can help you to check it, and also you can download our app. Okay. Here, by the way, I want to share with you about our product warranties. For our product, we have the 6 months warranties. Wow, 6 months. That's really a long period, right? And actually, except that about our product, I have the 3 tips I want to share with you. The 3 tips. The first tip is, if you want to clean the spare parts, you'd better use oil to clean it. The second tip is, if you'd like to install it and make sure the valve roll can be moved smoothly after assembly inject body. Yep. The third tip is make sure the valve cap in the right positions. Yes. So much for the tips sharing. Yep. Any information you can contact us. Yes. Okay. Actually, except that, we also supply the injector, the nozzle, the repair kit, the pumps, the parts for the pumps, including the control valve we are showing today. Yes, so much for today's product sharing. It's time to say goodbye to you guys. Yes. Okay, thank you for your watching. See you next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Miss you guys. Bye-bye.